Good morning, everybody. Today we are going to start new topic, that is peer profile. You know, profile means information about the person. Now, peer means the which is of your age group. Okay, peer profile, that is of your age group. That is the peer profile. So, get 10 of your friends to fill in this sheet for you. One sheet is given and some some sentences are given. You have to fill the sentences with the information regarding about you. So, ten of your friends to fill in this sheet. So this is the sheet. See, peer profile sheet. Okay, this is sheet. First is my name. At home they call me. My friends call me. Some of the things I enjoy. Some of the things I appreciate. Some of the things I fear. Some of the things I hate to do. Some of the things I have to do. Some of the things I will never do. Okay, like this. So let us, this is the activity. Okay, let us do this activity. Get about 10 friends from your class. Okay. What you have to do, distribute the sheet prepared by you to get 10 chosen friends. आपने एक sheet बनाई है. You have to make one sheet and give to your 10 friends. So they will write their information in that 10 sheets. The sheet is given to information about the person, such as their likes, dislike, worries, fear, and so on. Let them fill the sheet. Collect the sheets and find out similarity in likes and dislikes, fears. You might find that many of your friends have the same like and dislikes and fears. Few may vary. On the basis of information, make a report without any personal remarks. Read it out in the class. Make the report humorous so that everyone enjoys and no one is hurt. Let us see how best you can do it. So what 10 of your friends created beautiful profiles about themselves. On the basis of information, I would like to say things about them. I name them as like this. Okay. Now, peer profile. For what you are making peer profile? Now, this chapter shows you an excellent way to improve your handwriting skill. So that's why this peer profile is given to you. What? An excellent way to improve your writing skill. And will surely add to your vocabulary too. And will surely add to your vocabulary too. This chapter helps you to write a report. We will be writing a art or peer profile. A report on peer profile means a systematic, well-organized presentation of information. Systematic, well-organized presentation of information. Got especially of friends, students of your age. The chapter helps you to understand that a report has to be written to the point without too much of description. Its report helps to summarize what is written. The presentation of a report can be oral or written. The presentation of a report can be oral or written. While preparing a peer profile, Students automatically acquire language skills like speaking in a polite manner, gathering information, putting it together in a relevant manner, and preparing a brief report in an interesting way. Do's and don'ts while preparing a report on peer profile. Do's and don'ts. So this is about the peer profile. Sentences should be to the point and precise. Okay, not too long. Should be should be to the point and precise. Too much of description is not required. The sentences should be precise. Presentation should be clear. What is not mentioned should be pointed out. Personal remarks should be avoided. Statements and emotions should not be hurt. Interesting points should be mentioned at the end. Interesting points should be mentioned at the end. Now, meanings. Peer means what? Peer means someone who is of your age, means your classmate, your batchmate. Profile, it is a collection of information, especially about a person. Now, summary means what? Presentation which is brief and to the point. Relevant means directly related to. Directly related to. Briefly, in a few words, short, politely. Politely means well-mannered. Hurt one's feelings to cause someone pain. Hurt one's feeling to cause someone pain. Now, so let us see how peer profile is there. Here, see. First, my name. For example, I am saying you, my name, it is written over here. My name is Anisha Kishore Ambedkar. For example, okay. At home, they call me Sona. Ghar ka naam. At home, they call me what? Sona. My friends call me Nisha. Some of the things I enjoy. Which things I enjoy? Means which things Anisha enjoy. This is the peer profile. This is the profile of Anisha. Swimming, ice cream. Some of the things I appreciate, music and good handwriting. These things she appreciates, swimming and good handwriting. Okay. Some of the things I fear, a mouse, singing in front of the class. So I fear in singing in front of the class. I also fear mouse. Some of the things I hate to do. What she hate to do? Cut onions. She don't like to cut onions. Some of the things I have to do. Get up early in the morning. This thing I have to do. Some of the things I will never do. Tell a lie to my mother. मैं कभी झूठ नहीं बोलती हूँ. Some of the things I will never do. मैं कभी नहीं करती हूँ. That tell a lie to my mother. Some of my good habits. Brushing teeth twice in a day. Very good habit. Brushing teeth twice in a day. Some of my bad habits. Stuffing my clothes in the cupboard without folding them. Yes, वैसे ही रख देना. Stuffing my clothes in the cupboard without folding them. My favorite personality, Mahendra Singh Dhoni. My favorite personality is Mahendra Singh Dhoni. What I like most about this person, he's a very good captain. What I like most about this person is a very good, and an atlas signature of Anisha. Who wrote it? See, signature here. The signature is there. Here, signature Anisha. So this is your career profile. You have to write all this information: what you like, what you enjoy, what you never like, what you which is your good habits, bad habits, favorite personality, everything. Now, after you have collected the filled in sheets from your friends, you have given these sheets to your 10 friends. And after collecting the sheets from your friend, go through all of them. Read karo. Go through all of them and make notes for each of the points. And you have to sort out notes. Use the notes to write a report about your friends. About your friends. Use the notes to write a report about your friends. Likes, dislikes, habits, favorite personalities, etc. You can present your report orally or in writing. You can present your report orally or in writing. Remember the following things when you make a written or oral presentation. Remember the following things when you make a written or oral presentation. Okay. Now, you need not mention the names of your friends in your presentation. You should only give a summary of what you observe in the response given by many people. No need names of your friends in your presentation. You should only give a summary of what you observe in the responses given by many people. Your presentation should clearly show that many or most people enjoy, appreciate, fear what only some of them mention and what only one or two mention. Now, if necessary, you may point out what is not mentioned. You may point out what is not mentioned by any of the people. By any of the people. For example, you may say, it appears that nobody is afraid of examinations, as no one has included them in the things they fear. You should also mention what you found most interesting in the responses at the end of your presentation. You should also mention what you found most interesting in the responses at the end of your presentation. You must take care to see that you do not hurt anyone's feelings when you get the sheets filled or you make your presentation. What you have to take care? You must take care to see that you do not hurt anyone's feeling when you get the sheets filled or when you make your presentation. Okay, so in this way you have to make a sheet of peer profile and give it to your 10 friends and collect information and make a presentation. Now, for what? This is a language oriented project. Writing skills आपके improve होते हैं. This is a language oriented project and therefore it is necessary that students do it independently. आपको खुद को करना. It is necessary that you should do it independently. Using many language skills like approaching people politely, putting together the information gathered under the proper categories in a relevant manner, preparing a report on what they observe and presenting the report briefly, but in an interesting manner. Some children should be allowed to present the report orally in the classroom. The teacher should see that personal remarks are not made during the preparation and presentation of the reports. The teacher should see that personal remarks are not made during preparation and presentation of the reports. So this is about the peer profile. The lesson peer profile. In this way, you have to make a sheet of peer profile and give it to your 10 friends. Get to your 10 friends and collect the information from them. Make a notes and prepare a presentation on this about peer profile. Okay. So you have to make a sheet of peer profile. Peer profile. This is your homework. Make a sheet of peer profile and distribute to your 10 friends. Collect information from them, sort out the points and make a presentation. Okay. So this is the peer profile. Here we finish this topic. Understood? Okay. Bye.